So puberty was kind to me. Then my hair fell out. Then I had 2 kids. And now I look like David Koch. I'm CEO of Chamberlains law firm. It's a second generation law firm. Many of you will know my father, Terry, David Crowley and Chamberlain. Yallin's Crowley and Chamberlain became Clayton Hughes, now Chamberlain. We want to reinvent what legal practice looks like. We know that most of you hate your lawyers, and we want to be the type of lawyers that you love. And we're using technology to do this. We have recently launched our new offering, Chamberlains Online In-House On Hand. The online, we have spent 3 years, a lot of time and money in collaboration with our technology partner, Stereo Technologies, local family firm, to be able to put our precedents on the web in library so that clients can subscribe for it with a fixed annual subscription and generate as many documents as they want on our letterhead, backed by a piece of advice. It is not software as a service, it is software as the service, or service as software. Secondly, in-house, we spend a lot of money on technology so that our lawyers can go remotely now to our clients' premises and work off our systems and precedents, but in their premises, so that they can buy a sliver of a law firm for a fixed daily rate. And finally, we haven't morphed into some weird Gen Y internet offering when we all come to work on scooters and have groovy hair. We're still a traditional law firm doing legal work in the way that it's always been done. The team is there on hand to handle the work that can't be done online or in-house. What I want to talk to you today is about our online application. Can't demonstrate it, but it is a seriously sexy and powerful piece of kit. This is the inspiration for the software. This gentleman is in the audience. John Phillips and his partner Gareth Brown run an exciting company called CabTech that is a flat pack kitchen manufacturer with its own sexy piece of IT kit that allows that company to be a standout performer. This is the selfie generation coming to a client based near you. He's my cousin-in-law. I help them buy their business. I do enormous amounts of work for them. I show them the value of having a legal advisor on board. And when it came time for him to do his employment contracts, he Googled them. Downloaded them for free and sent them to me and said, "Are these okay?" Just run your eye over them. Now that was the moment where I knew that the law firm business model was dead. Our documents are not worth diddly squat because you can Google them, because you can get them from social networks, because you can borrow them from a mate, because you can uncrack a PDF and go nuts. It's only worth it if we can put our letterhead to it. It's only worth it if we can put advice assistance to it. And because of technology, we needed to automate to do that. So the inspiration for this particular piece of software came from that day when I was asked, with all of my employment law expertise, to review just in 5 minutes someone else's Google documents. Look, there were some challenges. The challenge for us, the first one was that this is a disruptive piece of kit. To our knowledge, as at our competitive analysis at 4 PM today, there is no one else in the world doing this. We are unique. Sure, you can get documents online, sure you can get templates, but they all come with a disclaimer that says, a big law firm drafted these, but for us, not for you. You can use this, but at your own risk. And you can't sue us, and you can't sue them. Please pay us $200. We're the first law firm to put its brand to its documents that you can generate online. We had to fly beneath the radar. That meant no government subsidies, no road shows, no press releases, no building of momentum, no beta tests, no marketing campaigns. We built it in secret, and that is a challenge. Ourselves, Chamberlains, and our technology partner Stereo invested an enormous amount of personal sweat and capital in developing this idea in secret. The second challenge, just keep swimming. We all know Dory, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. That's what you've got to tell yourself when things get a little bit challenging. This has been 3 years in development. An enormous number of things can happen in 3 years. So what I've discovered is in 3 years you can either have a stand-up piece of software or you can have a family of 4 kids. Thankfully we chose a piece of software. But within that process, my wife, she faced a potential terminal breast cancer event. She was 3 inches away from that cliff. and you need something to be able to keep you going. Now, I met with Stuart Rendell for half a day every Thursday for 3 years. And that ritual was the ballast that allowed us to just keep on going. Keep off the grass, this is my own little thing that says, so much in life is not a real barrier. Yeah, it's a sign, but it only means something if you read it. It only means something if you take heed of it. Beyond that sign is all this grass no one else has slept on. So beware of keep off the grass signs. The tip to increasing your chance of success, I've learnt this. Firstly, you've got to begin with user need. You know, it has to be a need. You don't go out and build a serious piece of kit and then go, oh, what do we use this? All right, you've got to find a need and then build a kit that solves it. Secondly, you need the domain knowledge. That's the law firm. Thirdly, you need technical expertise. I have tried before to be an internet entrepreneur and failed spectacularly, largely because I treated my technology provider as a service provider. Given that this business is built around IT, the IT company needed to be a partner, and that carries its own challenges. You've got to have a business model, and user experience must be outstanding. Now, it was a challenge for us given that we were skunk working the whole project. But with those 5 things in hand, I think your technology solution will be a success. Thank you very much.